I am Gokul. I am going to discuss about a real-world automation with LLM using Google Gemini and OpenAI. And the talk descriptions are how real-world developers use their applications using Google Gemini and OpenAI for text extraction and text extraction from image and text generation from the image and so on. And we are going to see a real world practical applications as well as some use cases. And the agenda of this uh, topics is real world use cases using simple Python code in Google Colab. And by comparing which Google Gemini or OpenAI, which one is speed and accuracy, and learn to integrate a Python LLM scripts in using Node.js API and some real world practical applications. So the first use case is a simple Python code we are going to see in Google Colab, and we are going to perform a text generation. I already said the text generation from image and audio file, as well as a text generation from PDF file, and we are going to see that. Hope this is visible to you. In Google Colab, I have researched on how to perform these kind of use cases using Google Gemini. Initially, I have splitted two as Google Gemini and OpenAI. And in this case, I am using a Google Generative AI package. So after installing a Google Generative AI package, we are going to perform a use case one of text generation. In that, we need to integrate a secret key of Google API key as well as OpenAI key. So in this Google API key is integrated, and I have used a Google Gemini 2.0 Flash. You can use any models you want. And I have given a prompt of tell me about the biggest planet in our solar system. When running this, we get a response. Yeah, we got a response. That's the biggest planet in our solar system is Jupiter, and the Gemini explained about this biggest planet. Same, this kind of example can even done using OpenAI. We will discuss later. First, initially, we go on with Gemini. Next, I have performed a text generation from an image where I have same methodology and got a image as a upload file. And I have given a prompt of using describe the image with creative description. I have given that prompt. While running, we need to choose a file, and we can choose any file, any image we want. I can choose just a natural image. The file is saving, and the prompt is generating. Prompt transposing generated. Okay, I have uploaded an image of just a tree with beautiful nature, and give a response of that image, description of that image. Same, we can extract text extraction done using an audio. These processes are same as before, so we can mainly focus on the prompts. So these prompts is mainly important. So listen carefully to the following audio, transcript both in Tamil and English. My regional language is Tamil, so I have given Tamil. You can give a religion language. And identify emotions, happy, sad, angry, neutral, along with their time codes. Time codes means the duration of the audio, at which time what you have spoken. 0.0 means initial time of the talk, like that. Okay. Audio, currently I don't have any audio. You can try with your own example. I have tried with one audio that's using my, so that response is came there. So this is the time codes, and at the time, what is the emotion of that speaker? And the speaker is stating the facts about lunchtime. That recorded video is that. Okay. So hope you all understand. Next, the final use case is a text extraction from the PDF. Again, get a you can get a load as a PDF file. Analyze this is a prompt. Analyze the uploaded resume file PDF carefully. So I have mentioned here resume. You can mention any other PDF file. Return the all important terms including skills, education, experience, job titles, and so on. Present the output in a structured format. Okay. So I have uploaded so we can run this code. So I upload my resume. So the resume is parsed and the response is got from the Gemini. It's properly extracted the personal information, career summary, and professional experience in a structured format. You can see. So this is a 4 test cases using Google Gemini. Hope you all understand. Next, we are going to same use case using OpenAI. I also implemented that. For OpenAI, you have to use a OpenAI package. Oh, sorry. So same text extraction has been done using a GPT-4, and I have given a prompt. You have a helpful assistant. Tell me about the biggest planet in our solar. Same like as before. So this is a OpenAI response. I think the Gemini is given in elaborated manner, but OpenAI tells in much smaller manner. Same for image also I have uses the same prompt as of Gemini. So again, these 4 all use cases as same before, but OpenAI is role playing here. Okay, next we are going to, if you have any doubt, you can ask. So we have discussed about a Gemini text extraction from Gemini and using OpenAI. Next, we are going to see a comparison of Gemini and OpenAI on accuracy, speed, and cost of different tasks. ChatGPT is, as we know, it's better in coding and creativity. Gemini is much good at image and text extraction, as well text generation. Speed is ChatGPT is much faster than Gemini. Also, cost is a Gemini is much advanced. I think it's little cost compared to ChatGPT. So next we are going to see how to integrate the LLM scripts with the Node.js API. So there is a package called Google AI JavaScript SDK for Gemini API. Also, it's available for OpenAI. This is a package is going to depreciate by the end of August 31, 2025. So I am using this package and I have implemented the text generation. So as we seen in Google Colab, this is a text generation using the generative AI package of NPM, and we make it as a API. And when we call as in post request as slash generate text method, let's we check in Postman. So I have running a file of text generation OpenAI file. I have run, and by listening at the localhost 3000, and we call a method of post request of 1 second. So I have given a prompt of give me a revised text without any additional commentary. So it's when a prompt goes, I goes to school every day. So it's give a revised version of that. That means I go to the school every day. It's much better than the that prompt. This is a OpenAI generated text I have given here. So okay, and that's it. Also for Gemini also I have performed the same using same prompt. You can check it later. So by using this method, you can integrate with your real world projects and make automation in that websites. So next slide, we are going to see a real world application. This is a most important part going to see. Currently seeing many methods in email or proposal draft assistant, text generation play a major role by using prompt. Also, you can make an education tutor to solve a student's doubts related to their subjects by text generation method. Also, storytelling for the babies. 1 second. You can send an image and ask AI to describe related to the baby, children books, and creative portfolios, so that children can listen to that story as a interesting story. Okay. Next, meeting or interview summarizer, and this part is the main important because when complaint filing at that stage, every time recording has been carry on. At the time, text extraction of the audio play important role in documentation purpose. Also, another important one is resume parsing system. As we see, I have uploaded my resume and I get a text generation from using the prompt. This plays a major role in HR department. And finally, invoice and bill data extraction. This also play an important role. Instead of manual data, we can upload a total data to the AI and stored as a structured data in our database, so it easily maintained. And that's it. And this is my LinkedIn profile URL. You can connect with me and let's discuss with any more AI concepts. So what I can do is I'm recently exploring new AI technologies like this, and totally new. Past 6 months, I working on like innovative AI projects. And thank you.